Alright, I've got this old turbo split in half here. Okay, I just took the exhaust side apart, and I wanted to say this again. I was in here last week. I just cleaned this thing. It was spotless. Okay? It was completely spotless. And now, it's completely covered in carbon again. Okay? I don't know if cleaning the carbon out of this thing is actually going to do anything. If it carbons up this fast. If that's normal, then, I mean, this is about what it looked like after 200,000 miles, and this is only 100 miles down the road, okay? Is cleaning this thing out really worth it? I don't know. You be the judge. It's your turbo. Let me get some more light on this thing. Yeah, I was just in here last week, okay? So, I don't know. Maybe it's worth it to go in here and clean it, maybe not. I just want to throw that out there.